you gotta look out for yourself. You know what I'm saying? These streets are cold.
So you're saying hoes over bros? Is that what you're saying?
Know what you're saying?
Basically.
Bros, bros, bro. You
What?
can still be bros with whole.
To be honest,
Nah.
My guy,
Dan,
my guy.
Dan,
my
I'll be honest
guy.
with you. Dan, I've got a
Did
question
that
for you.
one.
I've got a question for
My
you.
guy.
I've got a question for
Big
you,
man.
dude.
Big man.
This guy.
Do you have the facilities to back up your claims?
That's for the DMs, man. That's for the DMs.
So Dan, wait, let me get this straight, Dan. Let me get this straight. If there's a situation, you'd actually choose a girl over us.
I'd choose to neutralize the situation.
No, it won't work.
No, you can't do
How,
that,
Sway?
bro. It's
How?
one or the other.
How, Sway?
Olha, graças a apana chinchino
Mfano itamurida onzi. Tana unwa Dan.
Adombo
What?
That's the cardinal rule.
You see, these people are the ones we want to avoid. These are the ones we want to avoid.
Hoes over homies.
Neutralize.
No,
My nigga. What?
you can't neutralize. It's either there's no halfway point. It's either your bros or your hoes. And don't come back running to your bros after your hoes do you dirty. When you chose your hoes.
And Tobu, Dad, I vow, if you were to jump out with that 1x, wow, I'll hate you forever. Forever.
What X1?
Forever. Wangu.
Yo, ingwana wathi ma X akho anabaza. Wakuthi chico.
Ayo, I couldn't.
What is rainbow town? I'm
I'm ready to understand.
I'm unable to can water.
What are you saying, big man? Where are you going, man? I thought you said
the dicks, eh?
I thought you said you don't have an X, man. What you saying?
Okay. Let me tell you what happens.
Hey, tell that in here.
I don't have an ex. I was joking. I don't have an ex.
Sure, mate. Sure.
I have no ex.
Alright, but then hey, there's something that also said that I wanted to ask though. Like what if you're in a relationship whereby your ex not your ex, sorry, not your ex. Your girl does not get along with your homies.
I believe we all have been there. Everyone in this room has had that situation.
I haven't.
I don't think I have. I haven't.
Hey, Choo.
Right.
Drop the name right now. If I had a girl that didn't miss you, drop the name right now. I will not edit it.
Thanks.
Drop it. Drop what?
Thanks.
Said
Did you not? What? Mira. First of all, that was not my girl.
You see, this nigga's not. Then why were you hung up over?
Mira.
Why were you hung up over?
Wait. Hold on. First,
You were just about to answer the question like she was your girl. I don't believe.
Why were you? No, here's the thing. If she wasn't your girl, why were you hung up over her if you were just friends?
what?
I didn't say that.
What do you mean? Explain.
Hey, y'all were friends, right? And when you stop being friends, why'd y'all go sad?
What?
Because it was a lost friendship.
Exactly.
Mona zviti mabando zechirungu apera.
No. No.
I think we've put Brandon in a corner.
No.
And he can't answer back.
No, you switch the topic up, Jens. And I asked a simple question.
Yeah, but you put yourself in that.
Okay, fine. Okay, let's skip past that. Let's skip past that.
But
Let's.
Mira, but
But what?
Hey,
But what?
it's all about maturity. It's all about maturity. Because why would you get hung up on a broad you're gonna break up with either way?
What?
I feel like that needs to be muted again.
What are you talking about, bro?
Wait, Jen, what are you talking about?
Listen, aren't you tuning? Like, let's say, Kays, I tap your ex, right? And
yo,
this is going to finish.
Again, wait, the one's niffed.
Yeah,
this one is going for someone's age.
The boys need to watch out, didn't it?
This boy is dangerous.
My question was, what if your girl does not get along with your homies? Then what?
Oh shit. Yeah, same thing. Maturity, because you gotta be mature about it. Like, if she doesn't like the homies, it's obviously she doesn't like you. Because tango fanana base, atinambo siana base. Chase ndama base ni moyo. Tango fanana chase banana base. That's why we're homies. So if she doesn't like the homies, she doesn't like you.
Facts though. Facts. I agree with Dan though. Thoughts?
It's also quiet though.
I don't know what to say, bro.
Alba Beach.
Dan, right now your validity is kind of questionable, but cool.
Exactly. The next topic was, I think Dan, you're gonna like this one, Dan. The next topic is sharing broads as homies.
Please, can you define the term sharing broads?
Yeah, like, elaborate. Like,
when Walter is done with the broad, he passes to me. When I'm done, I pass to you. When he's done, pass to
you mean a relay?
Exactly.
Relay.
Exactly.
Massports. I choose Massports.
Relay.
I'm gonna be honest. I've seen a situation where Andrew Owens, you were there where you saw one own went for the next broad, and that own literally gave the next own tips on how to get the broad, and it went into a circle.
That's nasty. That's some nasty shit.
What talking about there?
This is the one you know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
But
that shit is nasty, guys. It's nasty. Like, I don't even condone it. I don't even understand it.
That's not even the half. That's not even the half. Let me tell you, in varsity, there's shit, amongst the group of seven guys, I did one night at Huku, the next at Huku, the next at Huku. But you was out whenever they thought, guys, you didn't get the new boss. Never, yo, pull up, let's see.
What does I say? What I think you say?
Okay,
the group home.
But you guys are not answering though. Is it proper? Is it proper?
It's not proper. No,
it's not proper. I say no.
Disgusting.
No, Ryan, you're quiet there, Ryan. What's up, man?
It's not right. It's not right. It's not right. Because the things I've seen, it's not true.
Huh?
I know. It's okay.
I'll struggle because
it's funny how you're throwing shade though.
Imagine the situation. No,
because I know you niggas.
That broad then tells you. Imagine,
The
like, let's
niggas
say
know
the
you
6 of
too.
us here are hitting one and we're passing her around. And then that broad tells Case with a Case, you're not as good as
You're not
Case.
anaconda.
Automatically, you're gonna have some sort of resentment towards Chaka with the but fuck this nigga. How can you have a better stroke game than me?
But Owens, isn't the point of a
It's true,
relay?
though.
Wait,
I
wait,
mean-
wait. I've got a question.
I like the example, bro. I like
but
the example.
wait. I've actually heard a chick saying that, bro. I've actually heard the chick saying that.
Saying what?
And see, like she was saying, like this owns. Okay, it wasn't stroke game, but like thrive. This own thrives better than this own.
But the owns are homies.
But the owns are homies. Odds of
Exactly.
odds on watch on good. You're better than your homie.
But like as Owens, you're supposed to know. Like Owens, we tune each other every day, isn't it?
No, but there's some guys that don't share everything.
That's the problem. That's the problem.
I've just
How is
got
that a
one question,
problem,
yeah. I've got my
It's
question,
a problem
yeah.
because what if we have a mission and we don't know about it, guys? Then we go for that mission as well.
Oh no, if it's a mission, like if it's your hand, okay, not a hands, but like someone you're going for, like therefore the boys have to know, okay. But not every single detail that's happening with you at your mission.
Nah, they have to know what stage you've reached.
Hey,
because niggas won't take you seriously.
I got some wise words for you.
I think I still go from to taking you that you nothing as well
Wait, what? Wait, what? What?
It's like
No.
What is?
All right. So that's a no, yeah. Right, guys.
No.
Yes,
That's a no.
Words if it's only about strokes, it shouldn't concern the blokes. Ababate, baba. It's my strokes cheaters. Fuck what fake that team.
Cool.
What?
I think boys ready for another meeting, huh?
I got me.
Use the own. I got more mutual this way. I think I think I need us. You see, this is what happens when you let light skinned niggas with PSAs into the pool.
You know that's deep, bro.
No, wait, unmute then.
I love you, Dad.
Hey, Dan, what did you say actually?
And
No. What is strokes? What? No. We wanna hear why you say that.
I'll just watch it.
All right.
Oh my.
Yeah, no, sir, I'm over by YouTube, shot.
All right, moving on, guys. Moving on. What happens? What do you do if you who almost joined?
It's Dean.
Hey. All right.
Oh, fuck.
What do you do if you enter a relationship where the girl is a virgin and you're not, or the other way around?
It's not massive.
Are you sure?
Was that Dean?
Yeah.
Are you sure? No, because think about it.
Depends on the broad.
It depends on how you handle that situation.
Confessa nunca tenga chikole. Hey, big man.
Hey, big man. Big man, you're live.
What do you think?
Can you make some respect, bro?
Hey, Dean, we're recording.
Oh, I'm very good. No matter.
Oh, Wadi.
Let's look at it way.
As much as we
Man, manje ndidawudza unzi
Wesibana vanochita. Wesibana apa ane maure 15,000.
Boom, dad.
Go, Dean. Can I ask a question, Dean? Did you see the comment section for the last video?
Nah, mate. Nah, I didn't. No.
It was quite scintillating, isn't it?
I think you have to check it out.
Quite scintillating.
I think you have to check it out, bro. Because some people don't believe that you don't slide into DMs, bro.
I think you need to show them the receipts, bro.
Maybe they can go check ours. Yeah, I probably didn't reply to it.
Oh my! Oh my! Oh my! Oh my word! Oh!
Man's be coming up with that.
Man's going for All right. Moving on. So the last topic, guys. It's Hey, what is the topic again? Does the body count matter before you enter the relationship?
Live.
Serious?
Looking matters.
Wait. Hold up. Wait.
Man, you're drowning in the waves.
Wait, Right, you're like, Maya, they don't count in everything. Yeah, I'm gonna bring that broad that we always talk about in this conversation. If she was to say exactly, you know who she is. I know.
Yeah, I don't know who it is. I want to know.
Family guys, is it?
Family guys.
But if she was to be like, yeah, Wadi, would you say yes?
I'll think twice. I'll think twice.
That's your answer. That's your answer right there. There's nothing more that you want to say. Body count does matter.
No. You see, in this situation, I'm talking about a situation like whereby you don't know, whereby you and your neighbor going out. You ask him, what's your body count? And should that change how you feel about her?
Okay, wait. Have you seen this? Tweet that the meme that's going around, where this brother was like 160 something guys nutted inside me.
Yeah.
But I'm still with my boyfriend.
Huh?
Oh, so what is Nabasa?
Wait, that's not deep.
Guys.
I strongly.
I guess no. Listen. Please no.
Why are you even asking body count in the first place? Body count, Jaggy. Body count, say. Body count doesn't.
Clearly, this one hasn't been in that situation where the body is like large.
Yes.
This one needs to get checked, Tones. I'm with all due respect, Zembe. Like, I got love for you, bro, but like,
this one went deep.
Yeah, hey, Sash, look, good vibes, energy. I don't let what they say get to me. Two sides, symmetry. After this, no one a threat to me.